Hello everybody, this is Patty from Mini Picassos at Home. I have this lovely project to do with you today. Look, it's a hen and some adorable little chicks. Would you like to do that with me? Oh, it's gonna be very nice project. So let's do it. To make this adorable hen, this is all that you are gonna need. A paper plate. If you don't have a paper plate, this is not going to be a problem because you can use a bowl and just make a circle on any paper that you have at home. You are also going to need scissors, sticky tape, some glue. You're going to need pencil, pen, and some colorful pencils for coloring your chick. So let's start. I am not going to make with a paper plate because this is just to fold right in the middle. So I'm going to make it with you together on a white, just a normal white paper. This is what you're going to do. Get some glue. This part is very important because in case the paper that you have at home is not hard, so this would make this paper harder and you would be able to use it. Other thing you could do is use a box of cereals to make it harder. That would work as well. So now get your template, make a circle, and you are ready to do the hen. If you would like to do a chick, like, I have some chicks that I showed you, you could use something to make smaller circles that they would be cute to make the little chicks, okay? So I'm gonna actually make two here. So we are ready. We have the hen and we have here two little chicks. So let's cut the paper and here we go. So these pieces of the paper that you just trim, you can throw away. But this one, please save. We are gonna use it for the other part of your hand. So basically your hand is ready. Get some pen or pencil. It's your decision how you're gonna do. And here we go. Fold the circle right in the middle. We are gonna have the eye right here. We are going to make a very big one, so a very big circle. Inside of this big circle, we make another circle and another circle. This one, you're going to color black. If you don't like to use pen, you could use pencil. It's going to be fine anyway. We need a wing, lovely wing. And if you're making the cheeks, you're going to do the same. Fold your circle. Draw the lovely eye here. So one big circle, one smaller, and color this one black, and make the wing. Remember that you must do it both sides. So you need an eye on the other side, circle, little circle, and the wing. Okay, we are almost there. As you can see, this hen has no tail. This hen has no comb, and this hen has no wattle. Ooh, let's do it then. So we need to do tail, lovely tail for your hen. So I'm gonna make 3. I like 3. I think is a good number. We are gonna make the comb that looks like this, and we are gonna make the wattle that looks like a drop. Let's color it. We also need a beak for your little chick. So we are gonna make a lovely tiny little beak, and we are gonna color it very beautifully orange. Don't forget that while you are cutting, you need to cut very close to the lines so it makes that it looks prettier. Okay, we are ready, so it's time for some glue. I didn't color my hand, but I'm gonna give you an idea. You could color everything yellow, or you could use some of these ideas. Look, you could have an adorable hen, black with white spots. You could have one yellow with some red lines, or a rainbow hen. Oh, a rainbow hen would be amazing. Look how pretty she is. Okay, so let's go back to my one. What is the part with the glue we are gonna get? Now, the wattle, glue on the wattle, and stick it here, inside. We get the beak. Let's put some glue on the beak. And here goes the beak for your hand. And here we have the tail. That is gonna look super pretty. You see that I'm sticking all these pieces inside the hand. So I'm gonna open the hand and you're gonna be able to see it. Look, all the pieces I'm sticking inside the hand. But this piece, that is the comb, this one we need to put here on the top. So this goes outside. So we get it and we put it here. So your hand is ready to be there. Bouncing, bouncing. Oh, look at that. Another idea would be, instead of coloring, to put some colorful paper. So if you have any beautiful colorful paper, you could get your hand and cover it with this paper, like beautiful wrapping paper. And your hand would look like this. Or you could make just like I did, one side with wrapping paper and one side coloring. So you're gonna have two different hands in one. Your little tick could be done straight away with the wrapping paper. Get your template, just cut a circle, and here we are. So you get a circle. I just made one here. And look, adorable little one that really moves from one side to the other. Isn't it adorable? Oh, I really enjoyed doing this project. Did you enjoy it as well? If you liked this video, take a look at our channel. There are many more there. And if you make some of these adorable hands and cheeks, please take some photographs and send them to us on Instagram. We would love to see what you have done. Bye!